Welcome back. In this video, we'll be exploring 3 powerful ways to make money using AI. But before diving into it, I wanted to take a moment to tell you something important. The ways I've shared with you in this video to earn money using AI are genuine and promising. However, it's crucial to understand that success won't come overnight with a simple click of a button. Building a profitable venture takes effort, dedication, and a willingness to adapt and learn along the way. So, let's dive right into it. The first method is selling the art images, then selling the content. The third and the final way will be creating the faceless YouTube channel using AI tools. Alright, now that we're diving into the first way of earning money with AI, which is selling the art images, let's get started with the creative process. To begin, we'll open up Adobe Firefly or any other AI tool like Midjourney. Once you're in Firefly, you'll notice 3 exciting options. For now, select the text-to-image option. This is where the magic happens. Now, all you need to do is paste the prompts you want to turn into stunning images. Don't worry, I'll explain how to generate those prompts in a bit. Once you've pasted the prompts, click on Generate, and you'll be amazed by the plethora of options the AI generates. The best part is, you can also customize the images by customizing the color tones and content type, and even adjust the aspect ratio to suit your needs perfectly. Once you're satisfied, download the image, but remember to crop it to remove the watermark. Now, let me show you how we generate those fantastic prompts using ChatGPT. We will just give the brief description of what we want to create, then ChatGPT will create the prompts accordingly. So, just describe what you want in straightforward terms, and ChatGPT will do the rest. The results are impressive, trust me. With your stunning AI-generated artwork ready, it's time to sell it and make some money. Head over to Adobe Stock. Adobe Stock is the platform where you can sell and buy stock images, videos, and music. When you will open Adobe Stock, you'll need to sign in or create an account if you haven't already. Once you're in, you'll find a simple interface where you will see the specific niche of AI art. Once you have signed in, you will see 2 options, selling mode and buying mode. Choose selling mode and then select upload files. Now, simply upload the artwork you've created using Adobe Firefly. The approval process may take a few days, but once your artwork is approved, you're all set. Now, when someone buys your image, you'll get paid for your creative talent, but note that it's not that much easy as it looks like, because it will be difficult for you to sell your images in the start. But, if you will try hard, you will definitely get success in it. And also you can create the multiple accounts on Adobe Stock to sell the images of different niches. Before diving into second way of earning money, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our content. Let's dive into second method of earning money using AI, which is selling the content. This method involves creating captivating reels and growing your Instagram account to attract a substantial following. Once you've built a strong following base, ranging from 20,000 to 100,000 followers, you can sell your Instagram account and earn a lot of money. Let's dive into the process. To begin, let's focus on creating engaging reels. We'll start by generating a script using ChatGPT. For our example, let's ask ChatGPT to generate some inspirational quotes that we can use in our reels. Once you have the script ready, it's time to bring it to life. We'll be using a platform called 11 Labs. After signing in, you'll discover a wide range of customization options that will elevate your reel's quality. Within 11 Labs, you'll find various options for voices. Simply select one of those voices that resonates with your reel's theme and paste the script. The platform will generate a human-like voice that will add a professional touch to your content.
The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams.
See, the results are quite impressive. Once your voice is perfected, it's time to download it. Now, we'll need an image of an old man. To do this, we'll head over to Lexica, a fantastic platform for generating images. Once you're on the website, you can easily download the image of the old man by just searching for it. Now that we have our image, it's time to bring it to life. We'll use a website called DID, which allows us to animate characters. Start by signing in and then click on the free trial option to get started. Once you're in, you'll have the option to upload the image of the character we just downloaded from Lexica. Next, we'll need the audio we created earlier using 11 Labs. Simply click on Upload the audio file and you will see the option of uploading the audio.
The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams.
Or if you prefer, you can also write the script directly on the website. The choice is yours. After a few moments, DID will work its magic and generate a complete animation with the character's voice.
The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams.
The best part is, you can customize the animation to your liking, making it truly unique. Once you're satisfied with the result, simply hit the download button to save the reel. See, the results are quite impressive. Once you've been working on your Instagram account for a few months and have successfully built a substantial following, it's time to explore the exciting opportunity of selling your account. One platform that makes this process seamless is Social Tradia. Here, you can list your Instagram account for potential buyers to discover. Listing your account on Social Tradia is a straightforward process. You'll need to provide some basic information about your account, such as the niche of your content. and the number of followers you've amassed. Also, the price you can charge for your account will depend on these factors, as well as the engagement and overall influence your account has in its respective niche. Now, you might be wondering, is Social Tradia a trustworthy platform? Absolutely. Social Tradia has gained a solid reputation in the industry, with many individuals successfully selling their accounts and receiving payments securely. The website has received positive reviews from satisfied users, which adds to its credibility. However, if you're not comfortable with Social Tradia or prefer exploring other options, there are alternative websites where you can sell your Instagram account. Do some research, read reviews, and choose a platform that aligns with your preferences and needs. Now, we've come to the third and final way of earning money using AI, which is creating the faceless YouTube channel. This is an intriguing topic, but it's quite extensive. So, if you want to dive deep into this fascinating subject, click on the video on the left. There, you'll learn how to create a faceless YouTube channel using AI tools.